nakikita. So yun po, ito na po yung chance na makikita. Makikita sila sa ating mga social media. And malay po natin, example po, focus sa kanya, pag-ibig sila, bibigyan sila ng mga kapatid. So players for the ball, para pagkakakito, players. Remember, the goal is really to have the best experience in this tournament. Develop good character as players, and you will go far. For the coaches, please guide your players. I know you're not only coaches, but you're also the second parents of these kids. Okay, so the way I'm going now, playing the right way. For the parents, looking forward for the success of this event. This is the first one. It will not be a perfect tournament. So again, maraming salamat po. Enjoy the game. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, here to make sure your ball is started. Up next, we have with us a member of the team, Mr. Eric Castro. Okay, actually I prepared first and foremost, good morning, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ito ay nagaganap masaya this is the first time that the Bata PA program will be doing it outside the country. So just to give you a background, the Bata PA program started way back in 2004. So the Bata PA program includes a lot of players already. Aaron Black, Ravenna, Daniel Brothers, Ian Makuya. So this Bata PA program here in England is we are hoping to discover future PA players. So from the sinabi ni Coach Richard, totally agree. Okay, this is a platform for all of you guys, for all the kids. Okay, so every time we do our Bata PA in the Philippines, in our country, every summer, same kids, same faces, and nakikita ko excited, masaya. Lalo na yung mga magulang. Kaya every time I open the Bata PA ako, dami nito sinasabi, mga bata, palagpakan ninyo ang inyong mga magulang, dahil ang mga magulang ninyo,
Ringit pa naman ang sabi. 200.
Ladies and gentlemen, when we got here to Qatar, there was always a lot of excitement for Bata PA. But there's always a lot of excitement from some of the VIPs we have present here today. We brought here two legends of the game. For the kids who are too young to have watched some of our legends, I'm going to read out the achievements that they have. Starting off first with our first speaker, he is an 8-time PBA champion, a 4-time PBA Finals MVP, a 1-time Mr. of the Congress, a 10-time PBA All-Star. He is the only playing head coach of the PBA today.
opportunity na makatayo sa harapan po ninyo ng ating mga kababayan. Matagal na po ako nakapunta dito sa last time na nakapunta po dito sa Qatar. Ganito kainipin po pagdating sa amin dito sa Gilas. Nahilig mag-basketball, manood ng basketball ng mga kababayan natin dito sa Qatar, sa Middle East. Kaya naman dito sa PBA. So, para po natin yung PBA.
Step into the light, please. Sundan tayo at may camera dito. Mr. President, how are you? Pwede daw ba po yun dito? Kasi meron tayo cup.
Wala po kami nito opportunity. Kaya po kami maglaro ng high school, ng college, ng amateur, bago po kami magpagsuot ng PBA uniform. So yun po, kayo mga bata, sa isang a young age, nakasuot na kayo ng PBA uniform. So, kaya yung opportunity, don't waste this opportunity. No? Kayo na mo sa amin. Pakita ninyo na isa kayo parte ng PBA family.
Yay!
Pakita nyo na pwede kayo maglaro in the future sa PBA. Diba? Dahil ito, magbigay ng inspirasyon sa inyo yung uniform.
Kaso may jersey yung ano, pentel pen. May pentel kasi. Ay, sige.
Jersey. Na nakakasuot ng PBA uniform.
Ayun.
Sa mga bata.
So, ayun.
Balik
Babalik ko sa'yo mamaya.
Ipakita ninyo na
Kasi ako
galing.
Yung uniform na lang nila. Oo, sa likod, no? Yan, yan.
So, habang naglalaro kayo, imagine dito, masuot ninyo. Diba? Masuot ninyo, the first six na minagpa. Sipin nyo, Scotty Thompson kayo. Diba?
Yes.
Sipin nyo sa Batola, number 3 suot ninyo. Only kayo.
Yeah.
Diba? Sa San Miguel, kung number 15 kayo, sipin nyo, German card kayo. Masaya kayo. Ha? So, mga bata, enjoy the game. Make the most out of it. At syempre, ingat na kayo sa mga nalaro ng basketball.
Yeah.
Ingat natin, pero ingat ko today, mag-enjoy kayo. Maraming
Ladies and gentlemen, NA Tenorio. Sigurado ako yung probably did not get to watching me. But ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce to you one of the PBA's 50 greatest players.
Tumabi ka naman kanina ka pa eh.
He is a 12-time PBA champion, a two-time PBA Finals MVP. He is the shortest ever PBA player to win an MVP. Standing tall at 5'8". Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Flying Ace! So blessed and honored and thankful God. Also, me and Ella is standing behind me, reaching our goal, sealing our dream. Sobrang akong blessed na naging part ako ng tournament nito. To all the people behind this event, God bless you all.
Excuse po, natatakpan po yung camera sa likod. Natatakpan po yung may camera po sa likod mo.
Deputy Eric Castro here, Commissioner Will Marshall. Guys, every time you carry that jersey, you must be proud.
Yeah.
There's a new avenue for you going to the next level.
Yay!
So you must be proud. For the parents, for the
Yes! Yes!
was so blessed. Put your trust on what you bring here. Send a message to everyone, every single step of the way. They have a chance to
with the head of President of Teacher, General Secretary, L.A. Paulo, General Secretary, sa lahat po yung mga kasama namin. Thank you for forgiving Batang Pibea dyan. Na matulungan po sa mga batang middle listener to show their talent and who you are here in the board. Maraming pong salamat.
Thank you din po.
Thank you din ako sa lahat ng suporta. Sa PBA, sa mga batang future, hoping, next, El Teniente, Teodoro at Taingay, baby, dito po galing. Sana po, we will pray for that. God bless you everyone. Thank you for this opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen,